How to replace the power supply. What you will need: a Phillips screwdriver. First, unplug the coaster from the power outlet. With the keys, open the top door of the coaster. Open the plastic conduit. Disconnect the indicated cables. Unplug the power cable. With the Phillips screwdriver, loosen the screws and remove the power supply. Position the new power supply in place and tighten the screws. Connect the cables from the new power supply in their respective places. Close the plastic conduit. Plug the coaster back on the power outlet. Close the door and the installation will be complete.